Hey guys, Central Oklahoma Clock Collector here. This time for another clock collection update. I've recently got 2 new clocks that I've added to the collection. I also got a new watch on top of that. Now on to the collection. This is my nappy 31-day wall clock, or it could be called a kitchen clock. My electric clock you've seen in previous videos, along with this clock here. Up top here is one of my atomic clocks that tells temperature, inside and out, moon phase indicator, and the date. This is one of the 2 new clocks that I recently got. My first regulator clock. This only chimes the hour and the half hour. Down at the 30-minute mark. Two of my weather radios up here on the wall. It has a built-in clock and can be used as an alarm clock. We got Midland ER210 with built-in clock. Behind that is the Lionel alarm clock, which you've seen both of these in my previous videos. Taz clock, or the longer name, Tasmanian Devil clock, alarm clock. HH54 VP with built-in alarm clock, and also built-in clock. My second atomic clock. My Omatron alarm clock. The newest addition is this West Clocks alarm clock. And down here is the 74-200 weather radio with built-in clock. And it can be used as an alarm clock as well. Another good look at the West Clocks for you guys. And the last one that I have currently in my collection is this mid-40s, 1940s German mantle clock that chimes at the 15, 30, 45-minute markers and the hour. It has Westminster chimes in it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For the new channels checking this out for the first time, please hit the red notification bell and the follow button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Please like, comment, share, and follow. Peace. One thing I accidentally forgot to show you guys is my new watch. It has an automatic movement in it, and it takes the movement of your wrist to wind it. with this watch here, no need to spend extra money to replace batteries. And then you don't have to worry about batteries dying. So I'd recommend a automatic watch compared to a quartz. And with this automatic watch, you can even see the inner workings of it compared to most automatic watches on the market. It's not fully enclosed, it's actually the middle of the face has been removed to show some of the inner workings of it, which I really like. That's the only thing I wanted to add to this video that I accidentally forgot to show you guys. I hope you guys like it. See you guys next time.